Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy YASHViR Gaming. Well, if you're new to the channel, guys, I would like you to come and smash subscribe button right now, okay? So without any further ado, guys, today I want to show you how you're gonna fix this problem, okay? Alright, it's a Samsung Galaxy J7 Pro, and as you can see, it keeps on rebooting on itself, okay? The phone keeps on restarting. Alright, the phone, okay, here it shows a Samsung logo, and then after a few seconds it just a black screen, and then it keeps on doing this, okay? It's called a boot loop. Alright, and I'm gonna show you how you're gonna fix this problem for good. So onto your PC, okay, you have to download these files. Okay, you have to grab Odin and then Samsung USB driver and the firmware. Okay, I'm downloading the Samsung J7 Pro firmware. Okay, so in the meanwhile, let's go and install the Samsung USB driver. So right click and run as admin. Once this pops up, all you gotta do is hit next, and you wanna use any language. So I'm just gonna leave that by default on US English and United States of America. Hit next and select a default location. So this is gonna be C drive. Okay, hit install. Alright, so the next thing you wanna do, you wanna launch Odin. Okay, just right click and run as admin. Okay, hit yes. Alright, hit OK. Once you get here, all you need to do is to grab a USB cable and connect your phone to your PC. Alright, so from here, all you gotta do is click the BL. Okay, and you're gonna locate that firmware folder and you're gonna load the BL. Okay, next you're gonna load the AP and then the CP, and finally this one. Okay, is a home_CST. Open. So once you're ready, just hit the start button.